everyone, and welcome back to my channel. To all my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. And if you're new here, you're most welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Let's get started. Today, we're going to make a delicious rice and chicken meal that is simple, flavorful, and perfect for lunch or dinner. The chicken will be juicy and well-seasoned, and the rice will be fluffy and tasty. So, let's get started. I have my cleaned chicken pieces here. I'm adding salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic, ginger, and a little curry powder. You can also add mixed herbs if you like. Now I'm going to mix everything well so the chicken is evenly coated with the spices. Once the chicken is well seasoned, I'll let it rest for a few minutes so it can absorb all the flavors. Next, I'm heating a little cooking oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, I'll add the chicken pieces and fry them until they are nicely browned on both sides. This step adds a lot of flavor to the chicken. Now that the chicken has a beautiful golden color, I'm adding chopped onions and cooking them until soft. Then I'll add minced garlic and ginger and stir for a minute until fragrant. After that, I'm adding chopped tomatoes and letting them cook down into a rich sauce. I'll season with a little more salt, black pepper, and a bit of chicken seasoning, then add a little water or stock. I'll cover the pan and let the chicken simmer until it becomes tender and the sauce thickens beautifully. In a separate pot, I'm heating a little oil, then adding chopped onions and cooking them until soft. I'll add washed rice and stir it for a minute to coat it with the oil and onions. Next, I'm pouring in water, adding salt to taste, and bringing it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'll reduce the heat, cover the pot, and let the rice cook until it is soft and fluffy. Our rice is ready, and the chicken is perfectly cooked with a rich, flavorful sauce. Now it's time to serve. I'm plating the fluffy rice and topping it with the delicious chicken and sauce. This meal smells amazing and tastes even better. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know how your rice and chicken turned out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe.